AI videos are evolving every single day, and it has become incredibly easy to create content. Now, with the help of advanced tools, you can simply write a short idea of what you're looking for, and AI will generate a full-length video for you that is completely upload ready. Take a quick look at what I was able to create using only a single prompt with a free-to-use tool.
The Great Pyramid of Giza, the last surviving wonder of the ancient world. But it's more than just a monument. It is a marvel of engineering that defies belief. How did a civilization without modern machinery lift millions of stone blocks weighing as much as 80 tons to build a structure nearly 500 feet high?
To find the answer, we need to go back in time to the 4th dynasty.
That looked literally like something out of a documentary, right? And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys exactly how you can do it too. Now, you really don't need to spend hours creating perfect images one by one, turning them into videos, and then editing everything together. AI can take care of the entire process for you. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. All right, the tool I used to create this video is called Movie Flow. They also happen to be the sponsor of today's video, and they gave me the opportunity to try and test it for a while. And let me tell you guys, this tool is genuinely really impressive. You can use it to create long-form videos that are up to 10 minutes long with perfect character consistency. Now, to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see an interface like this. Now, here you can see some video templates. I would highly recommend going through a few of them so you can get a basic idea of what you can really create here. I mean, just look at this video. This starting scene looks like a clip from a high-budget movie, doesn't it? And if you want to create something similar, you can simply click on this try button. It will use that template, and then you can just write your plot here and generate your own video. Now, if you scroll down a little bit more, you'll see this Inspiration Lab section where you can find even more amazing videos and templates, as you can see here. You can explore them and use any one of them as a template if you want. Now, for my video, I didn't use any templates. I simply gave it a basic idea of what kind of video I wanted, and it took care of the rest. Let me show you exactly what I did. So first, you need to write your video idea here. I've pasted this prompt, and it's just a simple prompt to create a documentary-style story video on the Great Pyramid of Giza. Next, you just need to choose the language, aspect ratio, and video duration. Then click on the Make option. After that, just sit back, relax, and let Movie Flow handle everything for you. It literally takes care of the entire process, from generating the script, to narrations, to visuals, and even the lip sync. Pretty awesome, isn't it? Now, this process might take a bit of time, so you'll need to be patient. And once everything is done, you'll see an interface like this. Now, as you can see, it kind of looks like a video editor because you can actually edit your shots here just like you would in a typical video editing software. As you can see, it has created multiple shots, and you can go through them one by one to make sure everything looks good and meets your expectations. Now, on this side, you can see all the cast members for the video, and here, you can also see a short description of each particular shot. As you select different shots, you'll be able to see the descriptions for them as well. Now, if you select a shot that has narration, for example this one, you can see the exact narration text right here. You can go through it and make changes as you like. Isn't that incredible? And if you're not satisfied with a specific shot, you can simply type what kind of modifications you want here and then just hit generate. It's really that simple. Now, if you want to add a new scene, you can simply hover in between two scenes and click on the button to add a new one. Then, the AI will analyze everything and automatically create a new script that fits perfectly between those scenes. You'll be able to preview it here, and once you're satisfied, just click on generate and your new scene will be created. Also, if you want to delete a particular scene, you can simply click on this delete icon. So this is basically how you can make sure every single part of the video is up to your expectations. And lastly, you can also add background music if you want. Just click here and then you can choose from these options. Or you can also add your own background music after exporting. Totally your choice. Now, to export the video, just click on this export option. As you can see, you can export it for free, but it will include a watermark. If you don't want the watermark, you can turn on this option, but it will cost credits. I downloaded it without the watermark, and here's the final result.
For 4,500 years, it has stood here, a mountain of stone on a sea of sand.
The Great Pyramid of Giza, the last surviving wonder of the ancient world, but it's more than just a monument. It is a marvel of engineering that defies belief. How did a civilization without modern machinery lift millions of stone blocks weighing as much as 80 tons to build a structure nearly 500 feet high?
To find the answer, we need to go back in time to the 4th dynasty, Pharaoh Khufu, and the brilliant mind he entrusted with the impossible, his vizier and architect. The calculations for the upper courses are precise. The weight distribution on the inner chambers will hold for eternity.
But plans are one thing. The reality was a brutal, relentless effort, powered by nothing more than human muscle and ingenuity.
That was simply amazing, right? It looked so good, and I was able to create it within just a few minutes. I'm sure you never thought making something like this could be this easy, but now, thanks to AI, you can create videos like this too, effortlessly. And Movie Flow makes the whole process incredibly simple. The best part is, it's completely free to try and create videos with. So what are you waiting for? Go and try it out right now and start creating awesome content today. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.